Hello, Sunday up at the tiny house. Got a little project in mind. You know, I had been thinking and looking for a fixture that I thought would really fit in with what I like style-wise and do the job that I hoped it would do. So I decided I couldn't find anything that really was a good compromise for me. So I decided I'm going to build a black pipe fixture with some of these Edison bulbs and some vintage looking wire, and we're gonna hang it in the middle. So this video is gonna be how I came up with this DIY Edison lamp, this DIY hanging Edison lamp. So hope you enjoy the video. Alright, the next step in building this little fixture for my tiny house is going to be wiring the actual sockets. I want them to be all four different lengths. I like the idea of having them vary, so that to me is going to be a key component of this one. So we'll start by just stripping these wires. Alright, so the fixture is all basically done. We got some wiring to do at the top before we get ready to mount it. And the bulb sockets are already in. So I'm going to mount the bulb sockets and we can get a look at what it looks like, and then we'll move on to mounting.